Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Watermelon Gradual Tan is probably one of the most sought-after products for achieving a sun-kissed glow without the sun damage, offering a delightful watermelon scent that makes the tanning process feel like a luxurious treat, all while gradually building a natural-looking tan that's streak-free and easy to maintain. Perfect for those who want a subtle bronze that develops over time without any orange undertones or patchy results. Number 5. Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner. Dreaming of sun-kissed skin without the sun damage? This incredible self-tanner helps you achieve that perfect, natural-looking glow right at home. It's designed to give you beautiful color effortlessly. Crafted with your skin in mind, it features natural and organic ingredients. You can feel good about what you're putting on your body, knowing it's made with care. More than just a tan, this lotion is also deeply moisturizing. Infused with aloe vera and coconut, it leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. Say goodbye to orange streaks and uneven patches. This formula ensures a flawless, streak-free application every time, giving you a beautiful, even fake tan. Rest assured of its quality and origin. This product is proudly made in the USA, adhering to high standards for your peace of mind. Specifically formulated for a medium tan, it delivers a gorgeous, sun-kissed hue that complements a variety of skin tones. Get ready to radiate confidence. What we like? This one stands out for its commitment to natural and organic ingredients. If you prioritize clean beauty and want a tan without harsh chemicals, this is an excellent choice. It also offers a moisturizing lotion formula, perfect for those with dry skin looking for a hydrating glow. What people say. Number 4. St.Tropez Self-Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse. Discover the secret to a beautiful, sun-kissed look without the sun. This classic bronzing mousse delivers a natural-looking tan, giving you confidence all year round. Applying it is incredibly simple, ensuring a streak-free finish every time. Its lightweight formula glides on smoothly, making your tanning routine a breeze. Say goodbye to orange tones and hello to a radiant, natural glow. It develops into a beautiful, even tan that mimics real sun exposure. Enjoy your gorgeous tan for days, as it fades evenly without patchiness. This mousse provides a lasting bronze that keeps you looking your best. For a reliable and classic self-tan experience, this product is your perfect choice. It's designed to give you that coveted sunless glow, effortlessly and beautifully. What we like? This product is a classic for a reason, known for delivering a consistently natural-looking tan. If you're new to self-tanning or want a reliable, streak-free result every time, you can't go wrong with this iconic mousse. Its proven formula ensures a beautiful, even bronze. What people say. Number 3. B.TAN Violet Self-Tanner Kit. Discover the secret to a beautiful, natural-looking tan. This kit helps you achieve a stunning glow that will make heads turn. It comes as a luxurious dark tanning mousse, making application smooth and even. Plus, a mitt applicator is included for a flawless finish every time. Don't wait hours for your tan to develop. This express formula delivers a gorgeous bronze in just 1 hour, perfect for last-minute plans. Say goodbye to dreaded orange tones. It provides the best bronzing glow, ensuring a natural, sun-kissed look without any artificial hues. Enjoy a pleasant tanning experience without the typical fake tan odor. This product leaves you feeling fresh and confident. Feel good about your tan knowing it's vegan. This formula is crafted with care, ensuring a guilt-free glow. What we like? What sets this one apart is its violet base, specifically designed to counteract orange tones for a truly deep, natural bronze. If you're worried about an unnatural orange tint or need a quick tan, its 1 hour express formula is perfect for last-minute glow-ups. This is ideal for those seeking a dark, rich tan without the wait. What people say. Number 2. St.Tropez Self-Tan Purity Face Mist. Discover a beautiful, natural-looking glow with this innovative face mist. It's designed to give you a perfect tan without the sun. Enjoy a radiant complexion every day. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Plus, powerful antioxidants help protect your complexion from environmental stressors. You can feel good about using this product. It's crafted with natural ingredients, is completely vegan-friendly, and never tested on animals. This ensures ethical and conscious skincare. Achieving a radiant look has never been easier. Just a few spritzes will leave your face with a beautiful, healthy glow. It integrates seamlessly into your daily routine. Enjoy a streak-free, natural tan that enhances your skin's appearance. It leaves your face feeling refreshed and looking vibrant. This mist provides a flawless finish. What we like. This product offers a unique mist application, specifically formulated for your face. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it not only tans but also hydrates your skin, making it perfect for those who want a natural, sun-kissed glow without clogging pores. If you're looking for a convenient, skincare-infused facial tanner, this mist is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. USA-made self-tanning drops. Experience premium quality with these self-tanning drops. They are proudly made in the USA, ensuring high standards. Infused with organic and natural ingredients, this formula is gentle on your skin. It provides a beautiful tan without harsh chemicals. Achieve a radiant bronze glow with the added benefits of aloe vera. This blend nourishes your skin while tanning. Enjoy a sunless tan without worry. These drops are non-toxic and free from harmful chemicals, making them safe for your face. Get a natural-looking, sun-kissed glow without sun exposure. Plus, it's a cruelty-free product, caring for both you and the environment. What we like. These drops are fantastic for a customizable tan, allowing you to control the intensity by mixing them with your favorite moisturizer. If you prefer a gradual, buildable tan for your face and appreciate organic, non-toxic ingredients, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for seamlessly integrating tanning into your existing skincare routine. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.